That is an absolute hidden gem of a tool that us entrepreneurs can use right on Instagram to help us to learn so much more about our audiences and for them to learn so much more about us, but in a super engaged way. And I am going to tell you all about it in this video, so stay tuned. Hey, it's Carrie here, founder of the Female Entrepreneur Association and the author of the international bestseller, She Means Business. And this exciting, secret, hidden gem on Instagram is found within Instagram stories, and it is the poll feature. I don't know whether you've stumbled across it before, but it is such a genius thing for us entrepreneurs because it is a powerful way to learn more about your audience and to get your audience to learn more about you, but in a really engaged way. For example, I once put out an Instagram story and I asked the question, did you know that I have a behind the scenes vlog? Yes or no? And it was so interesting because 79% of my audience had no idea that I had a behind the scenes vlog. So this was great because I'd got my audience engaged, I'd asked them a question, they got involved. So in the next story that I uploaded, I took a picture of the first ever vlog that I made and I put a comment that said, I started my vlog back in 2016 and so far have 77 or 78 episodes. If you want to check it out, swipe up. And then people could swipe up to go check out the vlog. And then in the next story, I went a step further and I filmed my computer screen and me scrolling through the vlog, sharing like what they could find. So for example, behind the scenes of my book launch or the photo shoot for my book cover. I shared my wedding, my honeymoon, behind the scenes of my Hay House talks, all these things that I thought might be of potential interest. And then in the next story, I kind of put the video to camera and I talked a little bit about what my vlog was and what it wasn't. So it was an engaging way to get people to discover my vlog without me being like, check out my vlog. So for example, if you have a video series or you have a podcast, for example, and you don't want to necessarily keep saying, I've got a podcast, then use Instagram stories and do the poll and say, did you know that I have a podcast? Yes or no? And get people to engage in it. Then in the next post, you can tell them all about your podcast. So all you would need to do is take a picture of the image for your podcast and just use that and say, do you know I have this? And there are endless amounts of things we can do with the poll. For example, if you do I do Instagram inspirational quotes all the time. So this one time I uploaded, it was an image of two types of picture quotes and I put, which one do you prefer, A or B? And I got people to tell me, I got my audience to tell me which one they preferred. We don't have to do the hard work, our audience will tell us what they want. So if you have products and services, if you have free stuff that you're creating, if you just want your audience's opinion on whatever it is, ask them a question, get to know them. So for example, one of the questions that I could ask my audience are, have you started your business yet? Yes or no? And I get to learn more about my audience. So come up with questions that you could ask your audience and use Instagram stories and use the polls to find out their answers. It is such an engaging, impactful way to communicate and to get to know your audience better. So definitely check it out. Here is exactly how you can do it. Okay, so you go into Instagram and then you're going to come up here and click on stories. And then you can either take a picture or do a video, or you can swipe up and you can access the photos you've taken on your phone in the last 24 hours. So this is one I've taken. So with this one, I'm gonna ask my audience, did you know that I've written a book? So you come to this little smiley tab here, and then you come and you click on poll. And then you ask your question. Did you know that I written, oops, can't type, a book? Yes or no? Or for example, just so you know, you can change this. So for example, if you're gonna say, which one do you prefer, A or B? So maybe you've got two products and you wanna ask, or two freebies, and you wanna find out which people would be most interested in, you can just come and type A, B. So you can just change it that easily. And so once you've got that, what you want to say, hit done. And then all you do is come down here and you tap the button with the plus sign at the bottom. That is to add the add what you've created to your story. You can obviously move that down as well so that people can see it better. So that's all you have to do. And once you do that, you'll be able to go back, check your story, and you'll be able to see the percentage of who has actually hit yes and who hasn't hit no, or who's hit A or who's hit B. It's that simple, but it's super effective. So go and try this out for your business. Also, if you want to learn more about how to just grow your Instagram following in general as a way to grow your business, then definitely check out the freebie that goes along with this video. The link is below, so definitely check it out. And I will see you in the next video. She means business.
Sorry, can you turn the mic on because it's rubbing on me?
Yeah. I don't know how to do it. To learn more about your audience and for them to learn more.
We're not having lunch this morning.